and welcome to another video on Learnyst product tutorials. And in this video, we will explore how you can increase your course sales online using the Refer and Earn feature. To enable the Refer and Earn feature, first let us go to your admin dashboard and click on the Marketing tab. And now click on the Referral code feature. This takes you to the Referral code settings page. Let us explore the various options here. If you are new to using the referral code, the first thing you need to do is to set the referral status to enabled. Only then will students be able to use this feature. Let us scroll down below to the Sign Up Credit section. You can use this section to reward both the student and his referral upon successful sign up or enrollment by referral program. And here is how it works. Let us say that your student A has referred his friend B to your course. Since student A is referring his friend B, student A will be called as the referrer. As an incentive to refer his peers to your academy, you can now assign say 100 credits to student A in the referrer credits text box. Student B will be known as a referee. And as an incentive for accepting the invite and for signing up on your app or website, you can give say 200 credits to student B in the referee credits text box. Both student A and B will get their credit only once upon student B enrolling into your online academy. Next, let us move to the purchase credit. Purchase credit is a point you will reward your student when his or her referral makes the first course purchase. So in this case, let's say your student A will get 2000 points when student B makes his or her first course purchase. Student A won't get any points for the second or third purchase made by student B. However, student A can get points when his next referral makes their first course purchase. Next comes the max referrals. Here is where you can set the maximum number of referrals that can be made by a student. For example, in this case, student A can refer at most 10 referrals. Beyond that, student A won't receive any further credits. Again, you can customize this to suit your needs. Once you are satisfied with the credits, click on the Save Changes button to save all the changes. So far, we have set the credit points. Now we need a way to connect these credit points with currency exchange. To do that, let us scroll up to the top and click on the wallet settings. Within the wallet settings, let us click on the Enable Wallet option. Next, within the wallet credits, you can set how much each credit is worth in terms of the currency. You can set your account's currency through the settings page. By default, one credit will be equal to 1 unit of currency. Click on the Change button to change the wallet credit. You can keep the wallet credit value to default or enter value above 1. Please note that you can't enter a wallet credit value below 1. Max credit is the maximum amount of credit a learner can keep in his or her own account. So, entering 10,000 in the max credit means your learner can earn up to 10,000 credits. The max credits per order lets you set a limit on the amount of credit a learner can use per purchase. For example, if you set a max credits per order to 1,000 and use the default wallet credit, your student can get a maximum discount of 1,000 rupees per course purchase. In case if you have set your currency as dollars, then it will be equivalent to $1,000. To edit it, click on the Change button to give a new value. Once you are satisfied with the changes, go back to your admin dashboard and click the View as Learner button. Here, as a student, you will be able to view the Invite and Earn link. If I click on it, I will get a referral code. I can then use this referral code to share it with my friends on social media and get rewards when my referrals signs up or purchases the course. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you loved this Refer and Earn feature. Do let me know in the comment section if you had success with referral programs or how you intend to use referral techniques. And lastly, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on course creation and marketing tips. So until next time, see you, take care and bye bye.